Hi folks, this is Rebecca Hedreen, the nursing librarian. This video is going to be about how to find studies done in a particular place or region. So for instance, studies done in Connecticut. When you're in the advanced search and you scroll down, there's a very tempting menu here called the geographical subset. And it looks like that it covers the various continents, areas, including the USA. So it's very tempting to check this box and say, hey, now I'm going to get US articles. Well, unfortunately, what you're actually doing is you're looking at journals, not articles. This one goes with the journal subset over here for subject. So what we're looking at here, for instance, is African journals, Asian journals, and if we selected the USA, journals published in the United States. That is unfortunately most of them. So this has nothing to do with where the study was done. The way to figure out the way to find where something was done is in the CINAHL headings. So remember, the CINAHL headings are terms that are given by people to the articles. So if we look up, for instance, United States, and then click on that, because I want to see the hierarchy, we get geographical locations: America, North America, Canada, and United States, Greenland, Mexico, etc. Now within the United States we can look up individual states, and so there's Connecticut, or we can do United States by region and say here's New England with the 6 New England states. Now if we actually want to do a search, this does not work the same way as when we looked up subject terms in the article records and then just substituted them for our search terms in the search box. We actually have to use these terms in a particular way in order for this to work. The first thing that you do is you check off the thing that's interesting. And so I've checked New England, and it automatically puts a checkbox in the second column here labeled Explode. And what explode means is that not only is that term going to be searched, but so are all the terms lower in the hierarchy. So anything labeled New England will come up, but so will things labeled just Connecticut, just Maine, just Massachusetts, etc. Now if I search the database from here, I will get every single article in CINAHL that has something to do with the region of New England or one of those states. In this case it goes all the way back to 1937. Obviously this is a ridiculous search, 21,000 articles. You'd never actually do this search for real. But this sets us up so that we can then go into our advanced search. You notice it stuck that right there, and I can check off any of the other check boxes, put in the dates, all the things that we've talked about already in the other videos. So we can do, say, research articles, full text, and diabetes. And so now I have 118 full text research articles from studies done in New England on something to do with diabetes. Now here's a trick. You notice there's no geographical term here. The geographical terms are a lower level, and it's only when we get down in here that we'll see under the minor subjects that, for instance, this one was done in Massachusetts. I hope that helps. See you next video.